Hello students, how are you? Dear students, last video we discussed covalent bond. Now today we discuss dot structure first, and after that some other information. So in covalent bond, just you see here a small recap. The valence electron are combined to each other, like that the example of hydrogen or fluorine or carbon and oxygen means carbon dioxide, the formation of molecules, and also carbon tetrafluoride. So now today our topic is electron dot structure. So this dot structure represented by Lewis, and Lewis say if any types of atom, the valence numbers of electron represent in outer part of the symbol. If any types of elements, so this is called valence dot structure. For example, hydrogen. So hydrogen, the atomic number is 1. So this 1 numbers represent the outer pass of hydrogen atom. Suppose oxygen, the total numbers of electron is 8, but the according to electronic configuration 2 6. So the valence electron number value is 6. So these 6 numbers of electron represent in outer pass of the elements. Suppose in it, if any types of compound, the constitute elements are differ. For example, just see here methane and ethane. So methane, the chemical formula is CH4, and ethane, the chemical formula is C2H6. So according to the numbers of electron, carbon is 6, and according to their electronic configuration of carbon is 2 and 4. And hydrogen, the total numbers of electron is 1. Here, this molecules, 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atom are participate, are combined to each other. So C is a central atom represent in middle part, and 4 hydrogen atoms are just joined to this C. Here hydrogen, the total numbers of electron 1. So this 1 numbers of electron, hydrogen valence electron represent here dot, just like see here, this is second hydrogen atom, this is the third hydrogen atom, and this is the fourth hydrogen atom. And carbon, the total numbers of total valence electron is 4, and this 4 valence electron represent in cross like that, 1 2 3 and 4. So according to the electronic configuration or according to octet, if any atoms in the outermost shell have presents 8 numbers of electron, it is stable or satisfied. So in here, hydrogen only formation of one orbit, because they have only single numbers of electron. In this single numbers of electron, if they donate or receive, so if donate they have no electron, and if receive they have only 2 numbers of electron. And the first orbit, it have only single orbit, and this single orbit, the maximum numbers of electron is 2. So 1 hydrogen and 1 receive, that means the total numbers of electron is 2. So in case if you see the first hydrogen atom, 1 hydrogen atom and 1 carbon, so this is combined and make a this hydrogen stable. Here the second hydrogen, it is a hydrogen electron, and this is the carbon. So these 2 numbers of electron, now the first orbit have presents hydrogen 2 numbers of electron, here also hydrogen 1 electron and carbon 1. In case we fill hydrogen orbits, so it's 2 electron, and this 4th numbers of hydrogen same as usual. But in case we show in carbon side, the maximum numbers of electron is 8. So carbon self electron is 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and this 4 numbers of electron, hydrogen share 4 hydrogen share 4 numbers of electron. So the total 4 and 4 8, like that, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8. And here this two numbers of electron form one bond, single bond. So it is a single bond, it is also single bond, this single bond and this single bond. So here the carbon is a tetravalency, and this is the electron dot structure of methane molecules. Same as usual here, ethane C2H6, C2H6. So here one C just missing. So total 6 hydrogen, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and this 6 dot lines dot represent to hydrogen electrons, and this cross represent carbon electron, 1 2 3 4, and here one carbon sign is missing, so 1 2 3 and 4. So in case hydrogen is stable, so this two numbers of electron, second hydrogen two numbers of electron, third hydrogen two numbers of electron, fourth hydrogen two numbers of electron, and fifth numbers hydrogen two numbers of electron, and this six numbers of hydrogen two numbers of electron. In case this places carbon if so stable, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8. In case second numbers of carbon so stable, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So now carbon and carbon are combined to single bond, and first carbon combine 3 hydrogen, 1 2 3 and 4 tetravalency fulfill, and second carbon also 1 2 3 4 tetravalency fulfill. So this is the electron dot structure, some examples of methane molecules and ethane molecules. Okay, and next video we discuss some other points.